In this video, we're going to simplify 3 brackets 4x minus 5 plus 2 brackets 3x plus 7. So write out the first expression and put an equal sign at the end there. So what we need to do is do 3 times 4x. So 3 times 4 is 12, so that becomes 12x. And then 3 times minus 5, that becomes minus 5. We then need to remember the plus sign there in between the two parts of the expression, and then we're going to do 2 times 3x, which is going to give me 6x, and then 2 times 7, which gives me 14. Right, the next thing, a good idea, is to group similar terms together. So that there are 2 types of terms here. There's a 12x and 4x, there are similar terms, and the minus 15 and the 14. So we're going to write 12x plus 6x, and then we're going to write minus 15 plus 14. So grouping these two together, 12x plus 6x is 12 plus 6 makes 18, so it gives me 18x. And here we have, then grouping these two together, we've got minus 15 plus 14. So we go back 15 plus 14, which takes me to minus 1. So this simplified becomes 18x minus 1. Notice all my equal signs are in a straight line underneath each other. I hope this has been a video to show you how to expand and simplify brackets. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.